Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online in 2019, starting right now without spending any money. This is not rocket science, and I believe anyone can do this, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Nate Valine with natevaline.com, and welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online starting today without spending a dime. Now quickly, if you're new to my channel and want to see more videos on how to make money online or improve your skills as a marketer, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you do find value in this video or enjoy it, I would appreciate it if you would hit the like button as well. So let me get into this, as it is a great and easy way to get the ball rolling and to start making money online. If you have seen any of my other videos, you may have seen that I believe affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online, and that is what I'm going to show you today. But what I'm showing you today is how you can start with no money up front. It'll just cost you some time and effort because, of course, nothing good in this world comes easy. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you are promoting other people's products and services to receive a commission when someone purchases through your affiliate link. I'm going to show you two of the products that I'm promoting right now, and these are products that are actually useful products that digital marketers need. So it is something that you can morally stand behind. So these two products that I'm promoting are SaaS, or software as a service products. And they are, in my opinion, some of the most user-friendly and well-respected products in their market. One is GetResponse, which is an email marketing platform. Now, literally anyone that needs to learn how to or wants to learn how to start an online business is going to use an email marketing system. So there is a lot of demand for this type of product, and it is something that will continue to benefit people long term. The other product is called Clickfunnels. This is a program that will help people build sales funnels in their business. Again, this is a product that is useful for a broad range of people that are in the online marketing space. And again, this product has long-term benefits to its users. So let me get into my computer here and I'll show you all you have to do. It's very quite simple. So all you need to do is go to GetResponse or Clickfunnels, sign up as an affiliate with GetResponse. Like you can see, it's an email marketing program. It does offer landing pages, webinars, marketing automation. It's a very good product suite. And now to get signed up as an affiliate, all you have to do is go up to More and then Partner Programs. And then you just sign up under the affiliate program. So when you sign up, you just put in your information. When you get approved, you'll have your own dedicated affiliate link assigned to you. And then that is the link that you can promote to other people. And so when they click that link and sign up, you get a commission. With GetResponse, you can see you can get 33% commissions, and it's recurring as long as they continue to have an active subscription. So Clickfunnels, if you go to Clickfunnels, it's just clickfunnels.com. Again, same deal. You just come over here. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, and then down here, you just click on affiliates, and you go through here and you sign up to become an affiliate. If you are a Clickfunnels users, you automatically become an affiliate. But you can also just sign up to become an affiliate here. And same thing, enter your information. Once you're approved, they'll give you a dedicated affiliate link. With Clickfunnels, you earn up to 40% commissions. So to give you an idea on Clickfunnels, their lowest subscription rate is $97 a month. 40% of that's what you earn each month for each active subscription that is purchased through your link. So you're roughly about $37 per active user that you sign up through the program. So these are the two products, very useful, very in-demand products, and some of the best products that you can really stand behind. Now, the question now becomes how do you get people to click your link? And that's called traffic. And so I'm going to show you a few ways that you can generate free traffic. The first, and in my opinion, the best is YouTube. You can go to YouTube, create a free YouTube account, and then you can start creating videos. And the type of videos that you would need to create are videos on how to, or review videos on these products, how to use them, stuff like that. And what you do is you just do a little keyword research. So in the search bar, you can just start typing in like best email program for online, let's do this. Best email autoresponder. If I could type, that would always help. So you can start searching and see these search results that come up. These are what people are actually searching right now. So right here, this is a great keyword, best email autoresponder for affiliate marketing. You could do a video on that. Then you could do a best email autoresponder video for Amazon video, etc. And you can also go to Google and do the exact same thing. You go to Google and you start searching it here, best lead page builder and best lead capture builder. So there's a video for Clickfunnels. And so you can do stuff like that. So you do videos around that, and then as you post those videos, you put your links in the description. People click those and eventually and subscribe. Now the question comes up but what if you're not receiving traffic to your videos? People just aren't viewing them. Well, then another way you can do it is you can go to Facebook and you can type in, email marketing groups. Let's see what this comes up with. But you can start searching for different groups that are related to your product. You start joining and getting in with this. So affiliate marketing for everyone, that's your niche. People are obviously going to have questions about email marketing. There's 92,000 members. You start engaging. You don't want to spam your link, but you start engaging with people, share your video, and then you can start driving people to your videos and your affiliate links. And so you can just start searching groups for anything on Facebook. That's the best thing about Facebook is they have groups for everything. And you just have to get a little creative and start searching out the different groups. You start thinking about, what are the problems that people have with email marketing or with building funnel pages or lead pages. You just start searching those out, those problems, and then you present a solution to them in your videos with either whatever product it is that you're promoting, be it Get Response or Clickfunnels or some of the many other providers out there. And then in addition, there's another website called Quora.com, and this is the same thing. You can start searching questions like, how do I start email marketing as a freelancer? So, these are different questions people are asking. So you can go and click on this and, post an answer. Oops, wrong link. But you answer it, and what you can do is say something like, hey, hey, check this video out. I think it'll help you. And then what you do is you go to your video on YouTube. If you don't know how to do it, I'll pause this out. You go to share. You just copy this link and then you go back and you paste it into your answer, and boom, it embeds your video right there. And so when people see this, they can then go to your video directly, see your information, and then if they like what they see, they can then click on the links in the description and purchase through your affiliate link. So this is how you do it. It takes a little bit of effort on your part. Like I said, nothing comes easy, but this is how you can start affiliate marketing for free. I showed you 2 products. I promote these products right now. They're great products. Other products in the same realm as GetResponse and Clickfunnels are like ConvertKit, Aweber, there's Lead Pages, there's Builderall, there's numerous software as a service products out there that you can sign up as an affiliate, start promoting. You just start putting out content. You do videos on each different keyword, and then you can just start pumping out content as onto your YouTube channel. Start building the subscriber base, get some watch hours, and you'll start generating traffic and getting people clicking your affiliate links, in which people will eventually start signing up through you. So I'm going to wrap this up. I hope you got some value out of this video. What I'm going to do, I'll put a couple links in the description below. If you're interested in GetResponse or ClickFunnels, I'll put those links down there so you can check those out yourself if you're interested. Also, if you found some value in this video, please give it a like, share it. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the description below. I'll do my best to answer them. And most importantly, if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any other videos on how to make money online or to improve your skills as a marketer that I'm going to be putting out. And with that, my name is Nate Valine, natevaline.com, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.